Hey there Godo, welcome to our latest project. In this tutorial, we have crafted a real-time barcode scanner using Django and Python. This cutting-edge application harnesses your web application power to scan barcode on fly seamlessly, storing the scanned data in Django Model. For future reference, join us we explore the intricacies of its key component and functionality. So we have created a Django models. We have introduced our robust Django models named Barcode, designed to store a comprehensive detail about the scan barcode such as a barcode data, itself, and timestamp of its creation. Barcode scanning logic. I have created a views.py file, a barcode scanning logic. So delve into the heart of our project with the barcode scanner function. This function deeply captures video frame from your webcam, processing them your precision, and leveraging the Pyzbar library and barcode detect every fifth frame, ensuring a balance between efficiency and responsiveness. Witness the magic. As a newly detected barcode seamlessly find their way to the Django model. To add touch of user interaction, a custom sound effect is played using Pygame library, signalizing the successful detection. The barcode scanning logic is elegantly threaded and guaranteeing a responsive application that won't miss a beat. Enhancement and personalization. Dive deeper into customization by exploring how we have incorporated a sound effect, providing immediate and satisfying feedback upon barcode detected. Feel free to tailor this sound file to your personal preference and take your project to the next level, extending it web interface, utilizing Django templates to empower user to view the scan barcode and their corresponding timestamp effortlessly. I hope you like this project, so subscribe and hit the like button.